To use the Rocket Money app effectively, follow these steps. Download and install. Search for Rocket Money on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, then download and install the app on your smartphone. Sign up or log in. Open the Rocket Money app and either sign up for a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Set up your profile. Complete your profile by providing necessary information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You may also need to verify your identity. Link your accounts. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts to the app. This allows Rocket Money to track your transactions and provide personalized insights. Explore features. Budgeting. Set up a budget to track your spending and savings goals. Expense tracking. Monitor your expenses and categorize transactions for better financial awareness. Bill tracking. Receive reminders for upcoming bills and due dates to avoid late payments. Savings goals. Set and track progress towards financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Credit score monitoring. Check your credit score and receive tips on how to improve it. Stay informed. Regularly check the app for insights, alerts, and updates on your financial health. Adjust your budget and spending habits based on recommendations from Rocket Money.